The future is in our hands. My friends, we have toppled a political dynasty, but let tonight be the final time I utter his name. As we turn the page on a politics that abandons the many and answers only to the few. On January 1st, I will be sworn in as the mayor of New York City. And that is because